Hello guys, welcome back to Eniac. Today in this video, we are going to see how to reverse a given number. Anyway, only if it is an integer. Okay, now let's go and do some code. First, I'll create a function called reverse number. Next, I'll declare a variable called ans and assign 0 to it. Now let me create a while loop, and this loop will execute when you see it. Now I'll create a variable called rem and which is equal to the remainder of num by 10. Next, I'll overwrite the value of ans by adding rem to the previous value of ans multiplied by 10. Now let me float divide the value of num by 10. Float dividing will eliminate the decimal part. After this, the loop starts over again with the modified value of num from the previous step. Then it returns the value of ans, which will be a reversed number of the given number. For testing, I will create a variable called number and give a value 123. Now I will call the function inside the print function and pass the variable. I will save the file and run it. Here, you can see the reversed value. For convenience, I'll print the actual value and then the reversed value. Here it is. Thanks for watching and see you again.